Hi, I'm Georgia. I'm a tech founder building startups. So, in the last 4 years, I've been working in ML and data science and switched into startups afterwards. Figma was my main tool for design, but now we have a lot of clones that implement AI features and can speed up your process. And today, I want to do a tutorial on Visily, which is my favorite from the ones that I tried up until now. So, this is how the whole interface looks like. You have spaces for teams, just like in Figma. This is how opening a new project looks like. So in addition to designs and wireframes, Visily also has diagrams, and you can generate an entire diagram system for a project using AI. And this is really a feature that not a lot of Figma clones have. Now you can switch between polished design or a low fidelity design, and there are basically three ways in which you can generate a design using AI. You can use text and you can describe your screen here, so AI will generate it. You can upload a wireframe right here. You can upload a screenshot and the screens will be generated. Or you can upload a picture of your hand drawn wireframe. We'll go with the third option to choose a theme. And this is one step that actually speeds up the process compared to traditional Figma design, where you need to be consistent between your screens and you need to learn how to do that in classical. But here you can basically define a theme here, and this theme will be used by the AI throughout your whole system. So you don't need to worry about consistency. You can define it from the start right here. You can manually define it, or you can extract it from an image, or you can add directly a web page. We'll go with extracting it from an image because we already have a few screens of the application designed. This will make sure that the AI keeps the whole theme consistent with what you already have for the new screens. We'll use this image from the current platform, and we want to make sure that we have all the relevant colors picked up. The fonts and the elements radius will be picked up automatically by the AI and used in our future designs. So the next thing after defining our theme is to tell Visily what to generate. I sketched two new screens for our platform, and I'm going to take screenshots of these and just feed them into Visily. We can just search right here for the command. So convert screenshot to wireframe, and you can upload directly via phone. So this is how the first screen looks like. You can see that the theme was respected, the colors and also the elements. All of them are pretty much in the right place. It's quite impressive that they were generated right, given the way I poorly sketched them. Also, if you were to do this in Figma, it would probably take you at least an hour. So it's really impressive that you can just upload the sketches and get it done in a few minutes, and then you can just edit this. It has a really nice UI for editing, so you don't have to learn. The learning curve is really low. So this was a fast tutorial into the way designing with AI works. Visily is my favorite Figma clones from the ones that I tried up until now, and I hope the tutorial will help you streamline your design process so you can go straight into building. If you want to learn more about tools and also insights into product building, I will post regular tutorials here, and see you next time. Bye.